Okay, thank you, ma'am. So first of all, we would like to have your introduction, your personal introduction, your brief bio, your academic profile.
Okay, so I am Engineer Marizen Contreras, and I'm a registered professional industrial engineer. So I belong to the mechanical engineering department of the University of Batangas, and I am a full-time associate professor here, and I spent my graduate studies at Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila, and currently I'm on my dissertation writing. Okay, and then as per my research, no, so I am a part of the ethics committee of the research department of the University of Batangas, and I am also serving as a session chairs for different international conferences, and also as an accreditor and auditor of different organizations. So I have published two researches. One in a Scopus Index journal, and the other one is in our journal here at the university. Okay, so I think that's all that I can share.
That's really nice one. That's really nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so now let's just move on to our next question. Okay, so what was your motivation during COVID era to carry out your research and participate in the conference?
Well, as a member of the academic community, so actually because of this pandemic, I became more focused on writing. We are conducting our classes online, so I have more time. To write during that pandemic days.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so actually before the lockdown, I was invited to be one of your keynote speakers at Korea, Myeongdong.
Okay.
That was I think May of 2020. If I'm not mistaken. That was May of 2020 at Myeongdong, South Korea. So unfortunately, March of that year, we have this lockdown. And I think it was done online. Online.
Yeah, due to pandemic, it was online. Yeah, that's really nice. That's really nice to know. Okay, now what was your opinion on attending an online conference rather than physical conference during the pandemic?
I think even though it's not pandemic, doing or conducting conferences online is more advantageous because it's less expensive.
Yes, I agree.
No?
I agree.
Traveling to the travel fees, no, the accommodation fees, of course, no. So I think it's it's less expensive, more advantageous for researchers like me, because of it's less expensive.
Yes, I agree. Okay, so would you suggest or encourage your friends or colleagues to attend our conference online?
Yes, of course. I've been recommending this STRA and also TERA to my friends, that they can present, they can showcase their researches here at STRA and TERA.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Would you like to join our conference in near future?
Yes, why not?
Yeah, that's really nice. That's really nice to know. Okay, so what was your positive feedback about our conferences?
Again, ma'am?
What was your positive feedback about our future conferences?
For me, for how many years? I think I joined STRA 2018. From then, I have attended the conference in Bangkok on site, and then I have attended this conference at Hong Kong, on site also, and then the online online conference last. The first one was at Myeongdong, and then I've been attending your conferences ever since. No, and I think it's more advantageous for me because nga of the location, of the expenses, and I think having this broadcasted live at Facebook,
Yes.
it's very good.
And we are very excited to see you in our future conferences.
Yes, ma'am. I'm also excited to see you.
Thank you, ma'am. And what's your future plans?
Well, I'm doing currently I'm doing seven papers. I am doing 7 papers right now, and I think some of them I can present it in your conferences, no? Not only at STRA but also in Terra, because I have researches about education.
That's nice, ma'am. That's really nice. Okay, so that's the end of our today's chat session. It was really nice to talk to you, ma'am, and we are so glad to have you. Thank you, and thank you for your valuable time.
Okay, thank you also. Thank you also.
Hope to see you again. Have a great day.
Thank you also.
Thank you. Take care.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.